Audio Jungle.
The BMW X3 helped kickstart the compact luxury crossover segment when it debuted back in 2004 and went on to become the maker's best-selling model. The new, 4th-gen 2025 X3 builds on that solid record of success with incremental updates and improvements that refine the breed rather than reinvent it. All-wheel drive is standard for 2025. Speaking of which, an adaptive suspension is standard on the M50 and can be ordered as an option on the xDrive. 3 drive modes, personal, efficient, and sport, are provided to tailor responses to the driver's needs. The price of the 2025 BMW X3 starts at $50,675 and goes up to $65,275 depending on the trim and options. Standard equipment includes new heated and ventilated power-adjustable sport seats with 3 available color choices for the full leather upholstery. There's also an optional faux leather and faux suede combination available, as well as genuine leather. A woven fabric instrument panel made from recycled polyester is also on offer, marking its first use on any BMW product. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.